This lesson covers how to rebuild calibrations for sensors installed on Humboldt legacy equipment. Sometimes mishaps or errors can cause calibrations to be lost. If this happens, they can usually be restored manually using the NEXT software, provided the original calibration information is available from calibration certificates or from other backup methods. To rebuild the calibration, select the Windows Start button to access the Programs menu. Scroll down until the HMTS Next folder is displayed, and then select the HMTS Next Calibration Management file. Once the Calibration Management window appears, find and select the input you wish to calibrate. In this case, it's going to be device 2 in input 6. Then select the Calibration Wizard tab and run Calibration Wizard. When the Calibration Wizard window appears, select Next at the bottom of the window, and then choose the unit system you wish to use. And select Method 1, and then enter the maximum configuration value for the sensor to be calibrated. In this case, it's a 1-inch LVDT. Choose the appropriate gain for the sensor, and then select Manual Entry. And then enter the data for calibration 0 as well as calibration maximum. Choose the default name for the input. In this case, it will be displacement on channel 6. Verify that the information is correct, and this will save the information to your PC. Now, in order to get this information over to your machine, you will have to actually export it using the NEXT calibration management functions.